In the Live Sound Engineering course, there are 6 modules, and these are the highlights. In Module 1, we're going to be doing an introduction to live sound processing. We're just going to back to the basics of understanding signal flow, input and output signal processing, digital audio processing. We're also going to be touching sound theories and also acoustic considerations for live events, and just going back to the basics of input and output signal processing, signal routing, and digital audio processing. Then we'll take you into live sound setup and production workflow and processes, understanding your equipment, system installation and optimization, working and dealing with artists, understanding technical writers, and we'll also be going into health and safety measures in live sound production, especially live on set in Module 2. In Module 3, we're going to dive into digital mixing practices and workflow, digital signal processing, EQ practices, how to achieve great sounds with your drums, percussion instruments, and every other type of instrument, just achieving a great mix. And also, you would also be able to understand how to work on any type of mixing board and how to think on your feet when thrown into any type of live mixing situation. There'll be opportunities for you to work with different types of mixing board throughout the entire program, just to get yourself acquainted with digital mixing practices and workflow. In Module 4, still on mixing practices and workflow, we'll go into more of practical sessions, troubleshooting practices, mixing practices for both FOH, monitor mix, broadcast mix, and also what it takes to run a live show as a live sound engineer from start to finish. In Module 5, we'll then go into live recording and audio post-production. You'll then be taught how to record a proper live recording, proper multi-track, using a digital audio workstation. We're going to be using different types of audio workstations to just ensure that everybody is covered. Whichever audio workstation you're working with, you'll definitely be taught how to do that properly on each of these audio workstations. And also the bonus part would be teaching you how to mix down a proper multi-track recording using effects and also audio processing, signal processors, and EQing techniques, reverb, delays, all the processors that are probably used in mixing. You'll be taught how to really mix down a multi-track recording. Then we'll wrap it up with business and people skills training that you need to succeed into this live music world, how to stay in demand, how to position yourself for gigs, and how to stay in demand in the industry. At the end of the course, you'll be expected to work on a group project with your coursemate, and also personal projects, recording projects, mixing projects, and also you'll be expected to work together with your coursemate on a live sound production set, and that'll be part of your assessment for the training. You can also do that on your own and send us your projects for feedback from our instructors.